Hello everyone, welcome to Mastering English with Mike. I am Michael Onweze, and you've just found the perfect place to master everything English. Whether you're here to improve your vocabulary, get tips on grammar, learn new expressions, learn how to spell, or even to teach children who have reading difficulty to do so with ease. This channel has it all. On this channel, I'll be sharing easy to follow lessons, fun challenges, and practical advice to help you become more confident with the English language. Whether you're a beginner or looking to perfect your skills, you'll find this channel very interesting. So, if you love learning English or want to improve your communication skills, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification by clicking on the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. So, feel free to drop your questions and suggestions in the comments. Thanks for joining, and let's dive into the world of English together.